Jaden here from Mr. J's Adventures, and on today's adventure, me and Dusty Pants are camping in the Australian bush, cooking up campfire meals, hunting and cooking up yabbies. So let's go! So this doesn't look like a bad area, so we'll clear it out and we'll set up camp. Camp's all set up, so let's get some firewood for tonight. So I've got firewood for tonight, so I'm just going to clear this area, probably around 3 meters from the fire. That should keep us safe from anything catching alight. And Dusty's having fun too. He ain't helping, but oh well. That should do us. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, I'm gonna have a coffee and then we'll take the yabby net over there to the dam and we'll see if we can catch any yabbies. Found the dam, so let's put the yabby net in. Yabby net's pretty easy to set up. Just take the rope off, undo the clips on both sides, pop open. So I'm just going to bait the trap with some back straps from a sandbar. And just throw it in, and that's pretty much it. We'll leave it in for a few hours and we'll come back and check it. Let's get a fire going. The ground's pretty wet, so I'm just going to put this bark underneath. So to get the fire going, all I'm using is some cotton balls with some Vaseline on them. Grab your flint and your striker. Start adding the smaller tinder. There you go, buddy. There's your dinner. Oh, buddy. Buddy? Look your fridge. Look. Yum yums. Not hungry? No. Dusty wouldn't eat his food out of the little container it comes in, so I just put on some bark for him. He's a pretty picky eater. This is good having you here. Keep me some company, huh? You having fun, mate? Good boy, Dusty. Dusty's a very good boy. So while the fire's burning down, I'll get dinner ready. Grab your tin foil, put your corn in the middle, a little bit of salt, grab your butter, put your butter on top, and we'll just roll it up and we'll double layer it. Oi, oi, oi. Excuse me, where's your manners? Alright, got our Brussels sprouts ready, so we'll put them in tin foil as well. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, we'll add some butter, we'll add a bit of garlic powder, we'll wrap them up as well and double layer it. Might have to add a little bit on the ends. We'll take our lamb chops out. We'll add salt and pepper to both sides. Bit of garlic powder as well. We'll add some butter. I brought one for Dusty as well. Here, buddy. Go eat it over there. And for dessert, we're having butter and chocolate pears. So I'll show you how to make those. Just take the tops off. So you just got to slice them down the middle. Careful you don't cut your hand. And you just want to carve the middle out a little bit. Make sure you get all the seeds out. You don't want them blowing up in the campfire. Just put some cinnamon on top. Add as much as you like. It depends how much you like. Some people like a lot, some people don't like that much at all. Add a bit of salt to it. Salt's your best friend. Grab your chocolate. Buddy, you need to stay there, please. Add your chocolate. As much as you like, really. I'll just move these ones to the side. And we'll just double wrap it. We'll do the same to the other three. Alright, so dinner's all prepared. We'll let the fire burn down more and I'll put the food on the hot coals. We'll put the butter chocolate pears on. We'll put these on for about 15 minutes. Put the asparagus on for 12 minutes. And we'll put the corn on for 20 minutes. We'll put the lamb chops on for 5 minutes each side and then we'll let them rest for 10. Lamb chops are ready, so I'll take them off. I'll take the asparagus off because that's ready as well. Alright. Take the butter chocolate pears off. Looks like the corn's ready. Come on. We'll let it all cool down and I'll see how it did. See how the asparagus turned out. That looks pretty cooked to me. Looks good. Let's have a look at the corn. That looks beautiful. See how the chops turned out? Look pretty good. See how the pears turned out. Nothing beats actually cooking on a fire. I tell you what, it's just a different taste. Even though it's cooking tin foil, it's just a different taste than cooking on a conventional stove. So you can't beat it. Me and Dusty are just going to go out and check the Yabby net and we'll see how we've done. Also, if you wonder why I carry him in this, he's got bad knees. Very common in Chihuahuas. So I'll just carry him in this, make it easier for him. And plus I'm always worried of like an owl coming past and grabbing him. So, just safer. Whoa. Yeah, we've got any Yabbies, Dusty. So we've got one Yabby. Don't know if you can see him in there. He's not too big, but I'll grab him out and I'll put him down. And then we'll take him back to camp and I'll show you how to cook him. So there he is. So I'll just put him down with a knife. So all you need to do is put the knife on the back of his head and then straight down. That's pretty much it. Let's get him back to camp. I think Dusty's having a good time. The jet boil is all set up, so we'll just add our salt. We'll add some honey for the flavour. We'll add the Yabby and we'll cook him to his bright orange. This Yabby is pretty clean. Usually the ones you pull out don't look blue because they're just covered in mud. So this one should taste a lot nicer. That's why I add the salt. It helps secrete the mud out of him. And also the honey to absorb into his skin to give it better flavour. So that's the colour you're looking for, bright orange. So he's nicely cooked. So I'll take him out, I'll cool him off, and I'll show you how to eat him. It's nice and cooled down. So all you do is just grab the back here. Just twist it and pull. Peel off the outer shell. I do have this little black part there. That's their pooper. So just grab that. Pull it out. Grab it like this. Go all the way back to the end. So it's been a long day. So me and Dusty are just going to sit by the fire. And then we're going to head to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So it looks like Dusty doesn't like sleeping in the tent. So it's going to be a long night. Good morning everyone. I'm going to quickly pack up because apparently we have a storm coming in later on today with 20 mils of rain and thunderstorms. So just going to quickly get everything packed up and head off. I'll see my car. Yay for me. Let's go home, Dusty. Thanks for coming along on this adventure with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.